Hello, greetings to you all. My name's Judy, Ssemugabi, Bakyayita, and today we are back with our Luganda lessons. Amanya gange yenze Judy, Ssemugabi, Bakyayita, era nga leero nziza okubasomesa olulimi Oluganda. Leero tugenda kusoma okubala mu Luganda. Okubala mu Luganda. We are going to learn about okubala. Okubala is a Luganda word. Okubala. English is counting. Counting. Therefore, let's start with counting. Okubala. Emu. Emu. We write it like emu. Emu. In English we say one. One. In Luganda, emu. Emu. In English, one. One. Berry. Berry. In Luganda we say berry. Berry. In English is two. 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 In English, berry. In Luganda. Satu. Satu. In Luganda we say satu. Satu. Yet in English we say three. Three. English three. Luganda tugamba satu. Satu. Nya. Nya. Mu Luganda tugamba nya. Nya. In English is four. Four. Luganda nya in Luganda. Four in English. So you can see emu. Emu. It is one in English. Two. Berry. Berry. Berry is two in English. Satu. Satu. Satu is three in English. Nya. Nya. Nya is four in English. Four in English. Nya in Luganda. Tano. Tano. In Luganda we say tano. Tano is 5 in English. 5 in English. Five in English. Tano in Luganda. Mukaaga. 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 Mukaaga is 6 in English. In Luganda we say mukaaga. In English we say 6. Six in English. Mukaaga in Luganda. Musanvu. 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 In Luganda we say musanvu. Musanvu. Yet in English they say 7. In English they say 7. 7. In Luganda we say musanvu. 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 In Luganda we say munana. Munana. Mu Luganda tugamba nti munana. Munana. Mu Luzungu bagamba 8. 8. 8 in Luganda is 8. Yet, no, 8 in English. 8 English. Munana in Luganda. Mu Luganda tugamba munana. Munana. Mu Luzungu bagamba 8. 8. Mwenda. Mwenda. Mu Luganda tugamba mwenda. Mwenda. In English in English 9. 9. In English we call it 9. In Luganda we say mwenda. Mwenda. Kumi. Kumi. Mu Luganda tugamba kumi. Kumi. Yet in English they say in English they say 10. 10 In English, 10. In Luganda, kumi. Kumi. So, let's count again in Luganda and in English. Emu, biri, satu, nya, tano. Emu, biri, satu, nya, tano. Mukaaga, musanvu, munana, mwenda, kumi. Kumi. Emu, biri, satu, nya, tano. Tano. Mukaaga, musanvu, munana, mwenda, kumi. Kumi. So when we were growing up, we had to learn this in our own languages in Luganda. In Luganda, we had to sing a song in order to memorize this thing. So the song we sang in our nursery school is called Fetuli embatento tetumanyi kubala tubalanga tudam emu bili satu nya tano mukaaga musanvu munana mwenda ne kumi. That helped us to learn how to count. Fetuli embatento tetumanyi kubala tubalanga tudam emu bili satu nya tano mukaaga musanvu munana mwenda ne kumi. So we learned it through a song. It says, we are young ducks. We don't know how to count, but we can count by saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's how we learned. Thank you so much for listening to me today as we are counting Okubala. Okubala in Luganda, counting in English. Hope to see you again here. Thank you so much. I'm Judy, Ssemugabi, Bakyayita. Goodbye.